Do you also agree that everything is so expensive and getting more and more expensive day by day, and this is bringing our quality of life lower and lower? We can't buy high quality products anymore because they are now costing a fortune. Our shopping ability is decreasing day by day. We can't even buy what we need. How many of these videos you've seen in social media showing you how life is better and cheaper in Asia? Have you seen videos people comparing the prices of very same thing and you think you've been ripped off? What I'm gonna tell you could change the way you shop online forever. Let's look at the problem first. Finally, you found a perfect product. Oh wait, the delivery time is so long. Or it's asking for a fortune for shipping. Or shipping is free, but the product is overpriced. And just when you think you found a perfect product, turns out to be a piece of junk. Now what's the solution? I have some good news for you. There's a place where you can buy genuine, high quality products with amazing prices and honest reviews. The shipping is free and it doesn't take forever. First, let me tell you my personal story. I was so skeptical at the beginning, but when I received my first product, I was blown away. The quality was really amazing and it arrived at my doorstep faster than I expected. I couldn't believe it. I'm so excited about this, so I just wanted to share it with you too. Now it's time to stop getting ripped off by other online shopping portals. If you really plan to shop from the place that I shop, please don't do it before you're hearing this, because this is going to add your benefits. Are you ready to turn your shopping into savings? I've got something amazing for you. It is called Team Up and Cashback on AliExpress. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So let me break it down for you in the simplest and most exciting way possible. First, join my team. Once you're in, shop on AliExpress and you instantly receive 2% cashback on everything you buy, as long as the seller ships your item. That's money back in your pocket. But wait, this is just the beginning. As you shop, you also earn points. These points unlock even more cashback, up to whopping 10% total cashback. The more you buy, the more you save, and it could reach up to £500. Here is the breakdown. If our team score reaches 30,000 points or more, you will get 4% cashback within the 7 working days after the event ends. If our team scores reaches 40,000 points or more, you will get 6% cashback within the 7 working days after the event ends. If our team score reaches 50,000 points or more, you will get 10% cashback within the 7 working days after the event ends. So how you're gonna join this fun? It's easy, super simple. Just click the link in the description and download AliExpress app. And then go to the search bar and search for keyword ancient. Or just you can scan the QR code on your screen right now. Once you're in, it's game on. You can even invite your friends and family to join my team. More people, the more cashback we all get. So let's do it together. By the way, I can't wait to show my new products that I've ordered again from AliExpress and tell you how much they have improved the quality of my life, and I didn't need to spend a fortune on them, especially in this cost of living crisis we all going through. Not only this, look how much discount you can make simply by entering my codes for your shoppings. The shopping empowerment from AliExpress website, to be honest, have impacted my life so positively and led me finally to embrace the lifestyle that I dreamt of without spending a fortune. So stay tuned for my next video where I'll show you all the products and how amazingly high quality they are.